What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video.
In today's video, we'll be unboxing and assembling the Cyberpunk Xbox controller and Pro charging stand. Now, these items are sold separately, but the idea is you'll purchase them together to complete the kit. Now, the kit's appearance is futuristic and dystopian, but also serves as an upgrade by adding wireless charging capability to the Xbox controller itself. In a future video, we'll also be talking about the MOGA PowerA mobile gaming clip. Now, this clip mounts your smartphone to your Xbox controller for mobile gaming, just like the Orzly mount for Stadia. Now, if you still haven't pre-ordered Cyberpunk 2077, pre-ordering on Stadia grants you a free Premier Edition. Now, this includes a free Stadia controller and Chromecast, which is an excellent value. Now, you can find these items and more by clicking on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. As always, I only feature items that I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well.
All things said, let's go ahead and get into it.
First, we have the wireless controller unboxing. Contents include the controller, 2 AA batteries, and product information. Next, we have the Xbox Pro charging stand by Controller Gear. Contents here include the stand, rechargeable battery, battery cover, power cable, and product information. So let's talk appearance. Both items feature a futuristic mechanical worn livery. The wireless controller comes in a red, black, and silver coating with a prototype look with label codes. It features a stolen and vandalized appearance demonstrated by textured scratch marks and etched "No Future" tagging. The No Future tagging is especially interesting as it serves as a possible prologue to what 2077 is like. It's either been vandalized by someone with minimal education, or it's a rebellious jab at education, etiquette, and authority. The controller's battery cover also features a gang logo, a symbol of human augmentation and devious behavior. Beneath the battery cover is a functioning QR code that takes you to the Cyberpunk 2077 YouTube. The appearance of the charging stand is similar to the controller, carrying over the mechanical worn appearance and labeling while adding an LED status indicator. The stand has an arc shape to it, and the replacement battery cover for the controller features a slight change in its design as well as the gang logo that carries over. The battery is a 1100 milliamp hour unit, a good size for this package, and should provide long durations of gameplay between charges. So let's talk assembly. We'll start by removing the stock battery cover from the Xbox controller. Next, we're going to install the rechargeable battery. Now, this is hard to see on camera, but the plus is right here and the minus right there. So the battery is going to go in just like this, and it's going to fit really tight. Next, we'll install the replacement battery cover, and that's just going to snap into place. Finally, we'll connect the power cable to the stand. So, final thoughts. The Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox controller and charging stand is a must-have for the dedicated fan. It adds recharge capability to the Xbox controller while overall creating a futuristic dystopian worn appearance. Overall, this is a well-designed kit because it's purely reminiscent of Cyberpunk 2077 and goes well in any modern decor setup. And there is an added benefit. Because this looks and feels worn, you won't feel bad for dropping this or banging it up a bit. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to.
So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out. you